Do your dance like you do.
Come on, you're going to be seen in
Say,
Italy.
I'm at the river.
Melissa, when are you doing Savannah's birthday?
I don't know.
Well, we want to know for the 4th of July party.
Why do you guys always do that?
I thought we
The July party is like right around the corner.
thought this already.
Does her birthday land on a weekend this year?
I think it's a Wednesday.
You got a birthday coming up, Dina?
How old are they going to be? Tell them.
Nina's gonna have a party.
Tell them how old you're going to be. No, you want Minnie. Minnie Mouse.
You want Barney or Minnie? Minnie or Barney?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse?
Tell Papa.
Throw me a kiss. Throw me a kiss. One more. Thank you. Are you beautiful? Yeah. How beautiful are you? Wow. Twice as much. She said 2.
I'm 2. I'm a 4. Here's lemon. Papa, what? Papa. Papa, 5. Papa,
You're not going to be 5.
1.
5, you go to school.
2, 3.
No, she's saying you're 5.
No, she's counting everybody.
I wish I was 5.
Savannah, you
like your birthday already? You want Minnie Mouse to come to your party?
No, I was talking. Tell her yes. Say yes.
What?
Lulis? Where's Lulis? Where's Lulis? Oh, there he is. Blow me a kiss. Ah, you're so beautiful.
So, Daddy, a banjo.
Banjo.
How old are you right now? How old are you? I know.
Like the water?
Kylie Ann, did you just say that you've never had anybody come to your party?
Papa,
Hey.
Are you for real?